Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to stop Snapchat friend suggestions. So to reduce or stop friend suggestions on Snapchat, you'll need to adjust a few settings. So to start, click on your profile at the top left. Now go to the gear icon in the top right. Now once you're on settings, scroll down.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
And open notifications. Once you click notifications, scroll down and look for friend suggestions. So go to friend suggestions and make sure you turn off friends from contacts. Make sure you turn off friend suggestions too and pending friends. Or if you see quick add notifications, make sure you turn that off too. Next is to clear app data. So this can reset suggestion patterns. So what you need to do is to log out and log in again. So go back to the main settings, then scroll down and tap on logout. So tap on yes, confirm the action, and sign back in. Next, you can also clear cache. So you can go to settings and so click your profile at the top left, go to settings and look for clear cache. So go to browser settings and tap on clear cache and browser history. So click on clear. And that's basically it. That's how you can stop Snapchat friend suggestions. Thank you for watching.